everybody, Jordan here. I'm back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing 3 more scents from Five Boroughs Grooming Company. Shout out to Johnny for including a extra oil and butter in the new Christmas scent, which we'll be talking about momentarily, as well as with the 2 oils that I ordered. And then, don't forget to use code JCC to save 15% on all Five Boroughs products. Check out Five Boroughs website and Instagram, link down below in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get started. Alrighty, so Five Boroughs Grooming Company is based in New York. The owner's name is Johnny. He's been on my YouTube channel a bunch of times on podcasts and live streams, so I'll have those linked down below as well. Handmade small batch men's grooming products. Some of the best branding and marketing content in the small batch beard game. Really unique scents, really great feeling beard. Definitely recommend Five Boroughs Grooming if you haven't tried them already. And next let's talk about the ingredients used in the oil and the butter. Alrighty, so starting off with the beard oil, I have all 3 of these oils in the emu blend. So it's emu oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, apricot oil, castor oil, vitamin E, and then fragrance oils for scent. And then the beard butter is shea butter, as well as the additional carrier oils from the beard oil. Really great feeling beard on both of these. I do have another beard butter with these ingredients that I unboxed in a recent video, so check that out down below as well. And then next, let's talk about the scent profiles that I got. Alright, so starting off with the new Christmas scent. This one is called Santa State of Mind, based off his previous Jack Frost scent, but remixed. And so it's blue spruce sap, festive pine, orange, cedar bark, holly jolly berries, clove, and then Christmas tree needles. And then I also got Do a Kickflip, which is black vanilla bean, tobacco, sweet apple, bergamot, amber resin, musk, and mint. And then Dragon Slayer is dragon's blood, tobacco leaf, golden amber, fresh cut cedar wood, and then blackberry. Next, let's check out these products. Alrighty, let's get into it. Alrighty, we have some nice bubble wrap right on top to keep everything nice and safe. Oh, this is a magnet. That's awesome. Got the logo there. That's dope. Really, really cool. First, we got the 1 ounce butter for Santa State of Mind, Five Boroughs Christmas scent. And the 1 ounce butters are they're pretty new. We just launched them a little while ago. So I was intrigued to actually see one in person. So that's what it looks like. Nice little small container. Really, really awesome. I've said before, I would say the best size for a beard butter is 2 ounce, but even more so with this, because I feel like with this, you're actually going to work through it like at sort of the same rate as a 1 ounce beard oil. That's awesome. Really cool label. Let's keep going. All right, awesome. We got Santa State of Mind, red bottle, super dope label. Got the ingredients, the scent profile. Really awesome. It was really, really good. All right, and then we got Do a Kickflip. Also an awesome label. And last but not least, we got Dragon Slayer. Cool. Awesome label as well. Ingredients, profile. Hell yeah. That's awesome. Cool. And then let's check out these scent profiles. Alrighty, so we're going to start off with Santa State of Mind, because that's the newest one. Like I said, I have all of these in the emu blend. I do have his regular blend in other scents, and it does also work well, but I just like the emu blend. Oh, yeah. So you can tell it definitely has a similar vibe to the older versions of Jack Frost, but this is a little more smooth. It's not quite as like aggressively like kind of sharp woodsy like the last version was. Oh yeah. Yeah, it definitely has the same kind of vibe, but I feel like it's kind of dialed down a little bit, because that was one thing from the last version that I got. Dig it. Definitely nice scent, still Christmassy, woodsy. Oh yeah, you definitely get the woodsy right up front. Yeah, nice and sharp, crisp, so good. And then next we got Dragon Slayer, and this one is Dragon's Blood, Tobacco Leaf, Golden Amber, Fresh Cut Cedar Wood, and then Blackberry. Oh, nice. Yeah, very sweet, very clean. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice in beard. And then last but not least, we got Do a Kickflip, which is black vanilla bean, tobacco, sweet apple, bergamot, amber resin, musk, and mint. Oh yeah, nice and sweet, smooth kind of scent. Yeah, super unique. I don't get much of the mint out of the bottle, which is good, because with mint in general, I've said it before, it's a nice background scent. When there's too much of it, I think it's a little too much, but some reviewers love it. I'm just not one of them. Yeah, that's really good. Yes, that was 3 new scents for 3 recently released scents from Five Boroughs Grooming. Let's wrap up this video. Yeah, thanks for watching this quick unboxing of 3 more scents from Five Boroughs Grooming. Use code JCC to save 15%. Check out the links down below. I have my previous unboxings and live streams and podcasts related to Five Boroughs linked down below, as well as their website and Instagram. Definitely check them out. I know there's some people that just discovered them for the first time, but I definitely recommend them. All their scents that I've tried are really solid. Even if other people say otherwise, definitely give them a try. Yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried anything from Five Boroughs, or as it was previously known, Beard Brothers. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.